What's up, lunar bikes? Use Allen K 6mm and little unscrew. Now gap is visible. Use the hammer and blow upwards to unlock the wedge inside the frame. Move sideways and pull up the handlebars. Very often on old bikes there is rust inside, making it difficult to disassemble. If your case is more difficult, you can use some penetration agent in. Sometimes, however, it is not enough because the stem is seared. Then you can use, for example, a wooden block and go directly to the stem and try to release it. Thanks for watching.